Welcome to USA Tech Picks. Today, we're counting down the top 5 gadgets for office and home equipment, smart, space-saving tools that boost productivity and keep your setup clean and efficient. Looking for the perfect power solution for your desk or nightstand? Check out this Nightstand Edge Mount Power Strip. It easily clamps onto the edge of your table, saving space while keeping everything within reach. With 3 AC outlets and 4 fast-charging USB ports, including USB-C, it's perfect for your home, office, dorm, or hotel. Stylish in black and available in a 2-pack, this surge protector is a must-have for staying powered and organized. Need more power without the clutter? This Tower Power Strip Surge Protector is your ultimate charging solution. With 16 AC outlets and 5 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, you can power up all your devices in one spot. The 6-foot heavy-duty extension cord gives you flexibility, while the vertical design saves space. Perfect for your home, office, or dorm room. No wireless charging, just pure, reliable power when you need it most. Elevate your workspace with the Olmaster multi-angle adjustable laptop stand. Designed for laptops from 9 to 15.6 inches, this sleek, foldable stand offers ergonomic comfort and better posture during long work sessions. The ventilated design helps prevent overheating, while its sturdy, lightweight frame makes it perfect for both home and travel use. Compatible with MacBook, Surface, and more, this stand combines functionality, portability, and style in a clean white finish. Keep your devices spotless with this 10-in-1 keyboard cleaning kit, the ultimate solution for all your tech cleaning needs. This multifunctional tool includes brushes, precision tips, and a cleaning spray, perfect for keyboards, laptop screens, iPads, iPhones, earbuds, cameras, and more. Its all-in-one patented design ensures convenience and portability, making it a must-have for professionals, students, and everyday tech users. Clean smarter, not harder, with one kit that does it all. Maximize your workspace with the Under-Desk Laptop Mount Bundle, a sleek, secure solution for keeping your laptop out of sight but always within reach. This durable metal shelf features built-in side storage, a cable organizer, and a convenient hook for accessories. Perfect for home offices, workstations, or standing desks, it helps reduce clutter, improve airflow, and keep your setup clean and efficient. Stay organized, work smarter, with this all-in-one Underdesk solution. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for new video like this ending.